Today I'm going to be showing you a way to get or earn $25 for free. So all you need to do is I'm going to take you through the steps of registration. So you hit the link below the description, then you fill in your details. Okay, so I'm going to pause for a while, fill in details, then I'll come back to the main menu. Okay, so once you're done with that, just need to click on create. After you fill in these details, your phone number, your first name, your last name, your password, then click on create. Okay, and if it doesn't work due to they said they're going to be sending a verification code to your phone number, if it doesn't work basically, then I'll advise you to use your email address to sign up for the remaining one. Okay, so once you've connected your email, if the other pattern is not working, then you need to fill in your date of birth. So I'm going to be filling that in, then I'll click on continue. Then the next stage is introducing yourself to the community. So you're going to be talking whether you're a professional, you're still in university, or you're in high school. So you're going to I'm not in school, I'm not in high school, I'm not in university. I'm done with all those. So I need to tell them more about myself. So that's why I picked professional. Okay. So it's going to ask me to fill in the company I'm working with, which I showed you earlier, and put in my details here. Then you're going to tell me, just majorly skip most of them. Okay, just click on do it later, do it later, do it later. Okay. Then they said what you're interested in. So I'm an entrepreneur. Um, Jobs. I like self improvement. I like social impact. I love technology so much. And I think I love stuff about health. So let's click on discover Goodwall. Okay, so it's going to look like this basically. Then you can see here they said, just look carefully, you see here they said win $25. I don't know what that meant, so I'll just, that is the main purpose of this video, to win or claim or get $25. So I'll just click on it, mental health, then I'll click on follow, then I'll click on take part. Okay, do you understand? So I'll first, before I continue with all these stuffs, I will need to go through all these things first before I'll be able to do more. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be passing on this video to another tutor that will fully explain the way you are to claim it. But before then, I'm going to you have to first read through all these things, right? Read through it, then you now click on take part and follow the steps as follows. Okay, so you just said patronize your medical aid daily, share your best advice for maintaining mental well-being, whether in mindful routine or self. Okay, so I'll just click on take part. So I don't have any achievement, just share the post. So I'm going to name the title of the post how to have a stable mindset. So I'll pause this video. When I complete write up, then I will talk more about it. Okay, so once you've picked a particular phase, right, then I will basically advise, or probably you draft up a write up, right, well enhanced write up that explains whatever topic you are picking, and write a full detailed stuff about it. Then all I need to do is just click on post. You can see that it is well arranged, well polished, and well organized. So then you just post it. Okay, so as I've said, pick any niche of yours. Remember, I showed you the niches I picked, ranging from technology to health to different forms of categories that I picked while registering. So all you need to do is pick any niche. You could see Gen AI for youth. You see the same thing. So wherever of the prompts you go for, that make sure that anyone you pick for the challenge, you make sure you are basically ready to perform the activities that is given. Okay, and once you can perform these activities, you'll be given a cash prize of $25. It's as simple as that, guys. Very simple as that, guys. So that is just basically all you need to do on this lovely platform. You could see, for this cook at home, you need to, when you want to do this particular offer, you click on it, you create content regards cooking at home, the kind of food, but majorly you must read the instruction there. So there are different, they say good creator 2025, so 5 days left, book club, you see, just different topics, related stuff, good agent, crypto ready. See, you could see that some has 200 ADA, which is equivalent to 100 US dollar. So there are certain instructions. So let's go back to this and click on it, crypto red. Now the instruction says that as money and opportunities go digital, understanding crypto and other financial freedom and new possibilities, ready to take control and be part of the future. So first one is how to participate. Step one, learn. Then watch the 3x educational videos on blockchains, Cardano and Yori wallet creation. This will take less than 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Then create and secure your wallet. Set up a Yori wallet securely by following the steps on the video. Safely store your recovery phrase. Never share it. Blah blah blah. Steps 3. Share your experience. Post a 1 to 2 minute video on Goodwall explain what you have learned about blockchain and Cardano, how blockchain can help empower your community, and your experience setting up your Yori's wallet. Share your wallet ID in the post description. 50 Cardano champion will be selected across 3 rounds to win 100 ADA convertible in USD. March champion is 15, April is 15, May is 20. So these are the criteria. Now selection criteria. By clicking on the take part, I understand that I must keep my wallet recovery safe and I must not lose it. I will not be able to access my reward. Okay, then I say, how will winners be selected? Post including a video shorter than 2 minutes proving wallet creation mandatory. Then video shows that the participants watch the educational content and learn about blockchain, cryptocurrency and wallets, created a wallet. So there are certain rules for certain activities. All you need to do is just read through it, pick on it, bam, you can win the cash prizes. You can see that it's not even only about $25, but you can earn as high as 100 USDT. Okay, and you can earn as high as there's one that I saw as high as, it was in Hero, you can earn as high as, let's go to $250. Yes, 250 euro, not dollars, 250 euros. So different projects with different price. You could see it there, which I tagged along right now. You could see it here. So different stores with different price tags, guys. So it's as simple as this, guys. Please do not miss out from this opportunity. This is an opportunity for everyone in my community to show their talents, and probably you get knowledge and you get paid. It's something, right? I mean, what do you guys think? It's something. Please give me a comment in the description, or just comment, please. I want to know if this video is basically valued, because a lot of people had complained over time that they want something unique apart from investment, and this is something unique. So I would expect everyone to participate massively, guys. So I think this is something everyone can do and everyone should benefit from. So you can basically download their app on Play Store. So I've clicked on download app and it has redirected me and I'm installing it. So you can do the same thing. do the required criteria included and win as low as $25 to as high as 250 euro. Do you understand? There's a section where you saw that you can win as high as 100 USD. So the choice lies in you guys, and my community is the best community ever. So I want you guys to keep sharing my videos. Let this particular video now to earn free $25 to as high as 250 euros. Let this video go viral. Share it to your friends, your family, and everyone you love around you guys. To all social media, that includes Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Reddit, and any other social media handle you could talk about. That is TikTok as well. So love you guys. I'm in Crypto Exchange. Just waiting for the stuff to install, and let me see what happens. So as I've said, go through their tactics and make the best out of it, guys. You can basically win as high as $250 to as low as $25, guys. So I'll see you at the end of this, guys. Please don't miss out from this opportunity. Take the very best of this, and I think everything is going to be reflecting right here on the wallet aspect, guys. So take the very best. Welcome to Goodwall. Don't miss out from it and make the best out of this opportunity, guys. Keep the good work. Let's make money. God bless you all. Enjoy your lovely, massive Goodwill project.